So this is another video. I worked with Variac Maniac. We destroyed an old corded hand power drill. The bearings were going out on it and it was pretty well shot, so we destroyed it. And it didn't last real long. We think we dumped probably something like 280 volts into it. The rotor doesn't look too bad up there. It's kind of crappy down here with soot and stuff in the brushes. But it doesn't look like they failed like the other ones, so it looks like the connections held. Focus. A little more light, maybe. It seems like the connections held up on the commutator there on the rotor. There's not much there, that's just a gearbox. I think that's going to be easy to take apart. I don't think I'm going to bother. And let out a bunch of white smoke when it died. You can see it looks like all the windings are like silvery, and I don't know why it'd be silver. It should be copper windings, but it looks all silvery and like metallic, so I'm guessing maybe the paint left had silver on there, or maybe it's aluminum windings or some silly thing. There's the brushes, one of them. The other one was basically disintegrated. The holder was all junk, but that's the end of that drill. Old Black & Decker 3/8" drill.